The Noticeboard widget is a useful tool for leaving messages for others without filling up everyone's email inboxes. There are some useful features you can select within the Edit panel. Setting a height will fix the widget to a set height in pixels. This is useful when designing a page, as fixing the height means multiple notices will not push the page contents further down. The Show Hide Notice detail allows you to decide if you want the notices to show the contents of each notice or just the title. You can change the title of the noticeboard, and you also have the ability to change the Create button text. You can also set how often the noticeboard automatically refreshes, so you can keep everyone up to date with the latest information. To be able to add a notice, you will need edit and manage rights to the site in question. However, you can untick this button at the bottom, and this will allow anyone with contribute rights to create notices. If you do not wish to give all staff editing or contribute rights to a dashboard, you can create another site and use a nested page widget to display these notices within a dashboard. This can also be useful to ensure the same noticeboard appears for both staff and students on their respective dashboards. For more information on how this works, you can view our nested page widget guide. To add a notice, click the Create Notice button, type in the title and content, then select when you want the notice to be displayed. The date picker means you have some flexibility in this. When you're happy, click Submit. In this example, I can see my notice already, but if I click on the title, the widget reloads displaying the contents of the notice. More importantly, it also displays delete and edit links. The delete option does offer a warning before removing the notice, and the edit option allows you to alter the notice. It's worth noting that you cannot retrieve a deleted notice. Expired notices do not delete, so the Noticeboard widget will fill up with hidden old notices if you don't housekeep them. You can see any notices that have expired, as they will be highlighted. Any expired notice titles will still be active links, and to clear them, you need to remove them by clicking on the action cog and selecting Delete Expired Notices, or manually deleting them in edit mode. It can sometimes be easier and quicker, however, to simply delete the widget and add a fresh one at the end of each term. You cannot currently add a clickable link or upload a file to the Noticeboard widget. One school has developed a frog code widget allowing you to do this, and that's called Noticeboard with File Upload. This is available for your school to install if you wish.